All students can learn, even though they have different speeds. The new lecture theatre accommodates a large number of students. One student representative will be selected from each class. Any gains from the sales of the property must be promptly allocated. The instant availability of information has radically changed people's lives. The university now faces a serious challenge of finance. A wide range of aspects are covered in this subject. Online courses enable people to improve their skills while employed. Globalization has been an overwhelming urbanization phenomenon. The elective course introduces engineering students to construct practices and concepts. The research is required in the field of food science. You should submit your term papers to the General Office. The Earth's atmosphere is primarily composed of oxygen and nitrogen gases. Practical experience is a vital part of legal training. The course places considerable emphasis on critical thinking skills. Classical mechanics is sometimes considered as a branch of mathematics. Global connections increased in academic communities, thanks to social media. Scientists have found all parts of science. Most homebuyers receive a loan from the bank. A demonstrated ability to write clear, correct, and concise English is obligatory. Graduates from this course generally find jobs in the insurance industry. Students are required to have an undergraduate degree in biology to be enrolled in this course.